Hi, I'm Mamma Giuliana. My tips today is a very easily way to shape semolina gnocchi. I already prepared the semolina according to the recipe. What you need is this paper. When you prepare this one, the semolina must be not very hot, but quite hot. You put some water on the paper, just wet a little bit like this with your palm. Just put some water. You see how it's very nice, very hard now, this one. Because usually, according to other recipe, you have to open, let cold, and after you can cut a triangle or round as you like. But this one, once you try, believe me, it's fantastic. Usually I prepare the day before and I keep in the refrigerator. Now what you need to have some water for your hand because it's hot. And after the semolina doesn't stick on your hand. You just try and turn this one and compact well. You see, you already start to have a nice shape. It's like a big salami. It's polpettone. Tuna, you can also prepare. I prepare meat like this, I prepare tuna. And slowly you wet your hand and make it larger. We nearly finish. Okay. Of course, before to put in the refrigerator, you have to wait that this one come cold. So you can leave outside and after you put in the refrigerator. Now, you have to make very narrow the paper like this. Like this. If it's too long, of course, you can cut. Okay. The last step, you take this paper. That is terrible every time to sound the beginning of the paper. This is you need for seal better. You must roll here, and you make like before I done with already with the paper, the parchment paper. You just close. Well, it's better. You make like this after you close in this way, so it's pushed very well here. Here you make the same. You double here. And after you close. The roll is ready. Now this one you put in the refrigerator after it's come cool outside. You put in the refrigerator and let come hot. Usually 3-4 hours, but if you make the evening for the next day or the morning for the evening, will come out perfect. Now, the semolina rolls, it's ready. I take out from the refrigerator. I open. See, it's beautiful, it's very hard. And it's ready, you can put in the oven saucepan. So you put first some butter on the bottom, like this. Okay, with the knife. Remember, it's better you wet always the knife, otherwise it can stick a little bit. Maybe you take away the first one. You see how come nice? And you start to put. I put one by one, you can put over, and you cook as the recipe said. You put in the oven and the long time and the temperature. Okay, one more and we finish here. Some parmesan on the top and some butter. Okay, they're ready. Now we finish, so you have now the tips how to make a very easy shape for gnocchi.